Don't pull out. What the fuck are you doing? What are you doing? There's a cop right there pulled over. You can't really. That's an exit lane. What? Stop it!
I'm sitting in my room. My mom and my dad came in. They pulled me down. But they like, we need to talk to you.
Oh, almost no cut. Nice cut off. No stop behind me. You have your own lane, keep going. You have your own lane, keep going. Go! Go! You have your own lane, go! You don't have to get all the way to the right away, you got time. God, people are morons. Look at all this room you had, you move over as soon as you pulled out. I mean, come on. People are just dumb. Wait, what was that guy doing over there? No, stop. Got my hash pipe. Don't pull out. What the fuck are you doing?
Trying to get T-boned?
Yeah, because I wanted the next driveway, not this one, you idiots. I think you're going to want to merge over. Yes, he is. How did I guess?
Guys are good like that.
Really? Really? Yeah, no, all this time to figure out that this lane exit. But you were exiting anyway! Fuck you!
12 seconds later.
Holy shit, someone that figured out that this lane is exit only and merged over right away and signaled ahead of time and I had enough time to slow down for him. Gee, I wonder why people don't understand this concept. Because they're idiots, that's why.
So once we identify the problem, which it'll be easier to get people to get on board. Once you identify
nice cut off. When the people merging on have their own lane.
Down payment. And that sounds insane, right? It sounds crazy. They have a special product that they're using now.
Really?
First mortgage.
Why'd you come over here?
There's some equity in the home, and then they'll back also the second mortgage.
Oh, fuck it. I'll take this way. Oh. Where are you going, dude? Really? Stupid ass.
But then having that overcomes the loss of signal a little bit, and really he has been just terrific.
What the fuck are you doing?
And let's see if that continues.
Alright, fine, I'll go to speed limit now.
As a matter of fact. So, watch.
See how you like it. Yep, left turn regret.
Which probably needs us to translate that Peter was preaching his needs.
Really?
For his audience and the park.
Of course, we gotta dive for the right turn lane. Red light run, red light run, red light run to your third!
It doesn't lead to better products or better service.
No.
screws the consumer. And it's going to happen to these people.
Really?
Which, I don't care.
Go ahead, get on camera.
Like, less fulfilling.
Fancy Nissan drivers. Oh boy. Yeah, he got my. At least he got my attention. Freaking Bronco. Yeah, this is dumb. He did honk at me to get my attention, but it's still dumb. He should have just. Yeah, stupid. Why do people drive? Dive for the right turn lane behind me. Fancy Nissan drivers.
So I think the best evidence is making this is probably early.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Keep track of them, so I think that there needs to be a more robust registration and tracking system that the
Really?
government needs to operate and fund, and then we
Yeah,
also
cut
need
off
to make
two of
sure that
us.
every single gun in your house is insured. And I think those two things.
Really an intense time, to say the least, when it comes to cruising. As someone who's covering the industry.
Red light run. No stop. No stop. Screwbaroo.
A historical hero. Did it have to be an identical twin? Did it have to be a dead ringer?
That's what it sounds like to me. I mean, like, you know, if you're just asking like a non-lawyer, I'll say.
Wait, that was
it
dual
certainly
turn
sounds like
fail. He went straight for a right turn lane from the left lane.
What's being asked
Idiot.
in this current case.
Right. And that also.
No stop. Nope. No stop. No stop. Red light run, Toyota third ran the red light. Really? Red light run.